Hello friends. How is your life going on? Let's learn something interesting today which will make your life easier. Today we will make our first data model and set the relationships. So you are ready, please view the video till the end so that you can see how it works. Before we move to my computer screen, please like and subscribe my channel and you will get lots of informative videos which can help you in your work life and make it easier for you to excel in your career. Let's open a new Power BI file. I hope you know how to do that. I am going to import a data file, which has two sets of data. One is sales data, which is having a daily sales record. 2 purchase data, which has only monthly purchase data. Let's assume that we are working for a trading company which deals in perishable goods. Company only purchases monthly stock, once in a month. If this stock is not sold within the month, then it will expire and has to be dumped as wastage. Great, our data is uploaded to Power BI. Our both tables have no common link and the only thing that can link them is dates. So let's add another table by using DAX formula, Calendar Auto. It will automatically check the initial and end dates in whole data model and update the range on dates. Isn't it great function? We will name new table as date table. Let's move to data model view. It's the time to set data relationships. Bring all 3 tables closer so that we can view all at same time. Drag and drop the date from sales table to date in date table. Repeat the same for purchase table. You can see that system has already created one-to-one relationships. Let's go back to report view. Although we have set the relationship, but still we cannot present any report. Why? Because we have not created measures or values in simple words. Another good practice is, always calculate your measures in a separate table. So let's create a new table and rename it as calculations. Now we will create total sales. If you realize DAX functions are very similar to Excel. In similar fashion we will create total purchases measure too. We should always write measure names very carefully. I have realized my mistake that these totals are for quantity, but I missed to mention in measure name. Let's fix the mistake. Let's calculate revenue and cost measures too. Cost means COGS. Let's make a title for our dashboard. Set the position, font size and color as per your likes. Add a matrix visual to make our monthly profit and loss statement. We have revenue and COGS, but still no measure has been created for profit. We can create a new measure by using two existing measures. Revenue less COGS will give us profit. Improve formatting. Copy the visual again and now make a quantity schedule, where sales less purchases will give us wastage. Now you have realized that DAX functions are critical for Power BI dashboard development. We will learn more about DAX functions in my upcoming videos. So what you are waiting for? Like and subscribe my channel, then only you will get notification of my next videos. Thanks and stay blessed.